Hey y'all, welcome back to the Wanderlodge Owners Group YouTube channel. Carol and I have been away over at a rally we have in Louisiana, Vidalia, Louisiana. We call it the Lovebirds Rally. Well, the guys that sponsor put it on do, and that's because it's always held near or around Valentine's Day. So we've been over there for a week and we're on the way home today. But last week we were on the way to the rally and we were in Laurel, Mississippi, stopped for the night there and had dinner and all that. And the next morning I was fueling up at a truck stop. I gotta slow down here. So while I was fueling up, Sean called me and he said that one of our guys, one of our Wanderlodge owners, had a blowout in Hattiesburg. He's about 40 miles south of us, and he didn't have a spare. He was in a bad place, and so Sean had a spare, so we all ran down there, 3 coaches. We ran down there to see if we could help, and it was raining and it was cold. Okay. So we went down there, had passed him, U-turned, came back, and spread out along the side of the road on the breakdown lane so we could help him change his tire. Well, the tire had come partly off the rim. It was under the front axle, and luckily it was the right front, so it was on the ditch side, you know, not out in the traffic lane. But it was still pretty close to the traffic lane. The breakdown lanes are narrow along there. And it's raining, so we put the awning out, and that gave us some shelter from the rain, and we jacked it up. Sean got his spare tire down, and we got the old tire off and put a tire on it, and we got out of there. Man, traffic was bad. They were flying. Nobody moves over. Motorhomes and travel trailers just not move over an inch, you know. The semis move over because they're a little more courteous. Cars and the other RVs, it was amazing that nobody got killed. So we hurried and got off the road, and there's some a little bit of footage from traffic and stuff going by when we were doing that. But you know, we saved the day. If he'd have called Coach Ned or whoever to get a tire, he might have been there for 6 hours, and it was really in a dangerous spot. So I hope you don't mind filming or watching this while we're filming while driving. And we're in Alabama on Highway 84. Heading home. We'll be home tomorrow. No hurry. So we're not going to drive all the way in tonight. But thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And look at my other videos. We did one just this morning when I met with Brad from Coachcraft, Brad McDonald. And that was pretty good, I think. So anyway, see you down the road. So when the tire blew, it knocked the spring, the plate off the bottom of the HWH. So we're trying to put boards under the jack and hold the plate in place. The tire is underneath the front axle. So we're trying to get it high enough to get all that so we can get it out of there. So
already did it.
Be back.
Already got it.
Alright, so we got the tire on. We're taking the old wheel back and throwing it in Sean's pickup. It's cold as hell out here. Gene's under here trying to get the spring off of the HWH. One of them's off, the plate is there. The spring is there. Got just a little bit of body damage here, not much. Could have been a lot damn worse. Gene's trying to get the spring off. It's not easy. Once we get all this junk picked off, we'll be out of here. This is damn dangerous out here on the side of the freeway. See you down the road.